we're here at a secluded area. I don't want to let you guys know because, you know, it's my secret spots. Alright, so if we come closer, you can see we found chicken of the woods. There's a couple different versions, Laetoporus sulphureus, Laetoporus cincinnatus. But if you zoom in right here, look when I rip it apart. This is why they're called chicken of the woods. And it tastes like chicken. Look at this. I'm gonna rip some out. Look when I rip it open. This is a mushroom, but it looks like chicken. You see that? Also tastes like chicken. So go around, have some fun, and we'll catch you guys soon. Alright, you see it right down there? You see it? Let's go take a look. Alright, this is a beautiful one. This just grew within like the last 2 days. This is chicken of the woods, but this is the same chicken of the woods that I just showed you guys earlier. And you rip it, it looks like chicken inside, like a chicken breast. Never pick any mushrooms that you're not sure of the species. Never pick any. Tastes like chicken too. We're gonna go home, clean these up. We're gonna soak them in water. Then we're gonna bread them, fry them, and you're gonna see why they call them chicken of the woods. Alright, stay tuned. Never pick a mushroom that you're not 100% sure of the species. Chicken of the woods never has gills, only pores. The pores are a sponge-like substance on the bottom of the mushroom. Now we begin the breading process. Cut them into strips and take away anything that doesn't look like they belong there. Now it's time to crack an egg, but I didn't have an egg, so I basically made a fake egg and 100% vegan. I will leave the recipe in the description. Here I use chickpea flour, but you can use any flour you want. Don't be afraid to get down and dirty. Now we just put some breadcrumbs on it and we put them in the fryer. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.